JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a MoneyGram account. To create your MoneyGram account, you'll have to access the full website right here or download the application. Those are your two choices. So once you have accessed one of them, you can get it on Google Play or App Store. All you have to do is register. From registering is just that simple. You will have these few requirements only. So basically, you will have to place in your email address, password, confirm your password, and there's going to be minimum password requirements as you can see, and then phone number, and then from there, if you want promotional offers, you can do so. If you don't want, just don't check the box right here. And then from there, you'll be able to even just make that simple first MoneyGram account. And it's just that simple. So if you have done that already, then you'll be able to have your MoneyGram. So it's going to confirm your email address, then you're on your way. So there you go guys, that is how you create your MoneyGram account. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.